Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I'll guide you how to reset your Windows settings safely. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips like this. Let's get started. First, open settings by clicking on the start menu and selecting the gear icon. Now go to update and security. Then find recovery on the left. And here you will see an option Get Started. Click on it. Here you will get two options. Keep my files. It will keep your personal files but reset system settings. On the other hand, the second one is remove everything. It will remove everything for a full reset. So if you want to keep all of your files, then you have to choose the first one. On the other hand, if you want to delete all of the files in your Windows, you have to choose the second one. So I'm gonna choose the first one. After selecting, you will see cloud download and local reinstall. The cloud download will download a fresh copy of Windows from the internet. On the other hand, the local reinstall will use your current files. And it's great if you are low on data. Choose one of them from here. I'll suggest you to choose this one. Click on reset button. Windows will handle everything from here. I think it will help you a lot. So that's the full journey how you can reset your Windows without losing any data. If this guide helped, hit the like button. Thanks for watching Mr. TechFox. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.